Small TV, come along for the ride. Crazy and funny with family by my side. Every snap a story, every smile a dream. In my wild world, we're the ultimate team.
What's up, fam? It's your girl CC back with another video. If you're new to my channel, I hope you see something today that inspires you to subscribe. And if you're already a family member, welcome back. It is Wednesday, and Wednesday is the day that I do majority of like my household things besides Mondays. But yeah, life has been lifing. So D has been sick with bronchitis. Grayson has had a stuffy nose. Y'all know Gabe is healing from his shoulder. Thanksgiving was Thanksgiving. We were supposed to go with my sister and spend Thanksgiving with her and her best friend. But D got bronchitis. We didn't want to be, around other people. So we just did a small Thanksgiving at home at the last minute. But everything was everything. Everything was cool, but it kind of burnt me out on cooking. So when I would normally have like my meals all together, but I do not. And this is literally my last weekend at home by myself before the gang's all here. So like I said, it's already Wednesday. So yeah, I said all that to say we got a lot to do today, but first, coffee. I don't think I ever showed you guys the finished coffee bar. But let me just show y'all what it is today. So this is our coffee bar now. And these are just the advent calendars, our coffee advent calendars from Nespresso. So yeah, and then this is our hot cocoa bar that needs a little bit of reshaping and revamping. So we'll do that a little bit later, but this is what it's giving right now. Remember, I told y'all my father-in-law is coming and he requested a regular, smegular coffee pot. So we now have a smeg coffee pot. Smegular, right? But that's definitely not staying out for the entirety. Just for like while he's here or other people that enjoy drip coffee. So no biggie. But if you're gonna do it, right? If I'm gonna buy the appliance, if I'm gonna invest in the appliance, invest in the appliance, right? So that's what I did. Yeah, let me go ahead and make me a coffee for the morning. What are you doing? But I understand that. But here's my question. What's going to be my question? Why are you using my cup? Let me mind my coffee. Let me mind my morning. Let me mind my bean water, okay? Because so I mind my business. Because people be wondering why that stuff don't taste like yours. Portions. Excuse me, kind sir. All right, y'all, to the office. All right, y'all. So since you've been gone, a lot has happened, but not a lot has happened. Since y'all been gone, I got all of my chores done, took my braids down, got my hair rebraided, and now I'm in here about to make this viral TikTok Turkish pasta. If you know, you know. Thanksgiving really took me out, and I ain't really been in the kitchen since then. But you know, the family gotta eat. I was supposed to be in pajamas with Toots, But when I put on my pajamas, they did not fit. So when I went to go get comfy, put on my pajamas, they was a little too short, which says a lot because y'all know I'm only... All right, so my SD card was full, but we got that situated. So I'm in the kitchen making the Turkish pasta that's been all over TikTok. So yeah, boiling the noodles. Right quick, and then I got the meat going. I'm going to make some exceptions to mine because Sister Girl didn't have a lot of seasoning in hers, but I did. But I need seasoning, so that's what I'm getting ready to do. What she put?
Onion powder, garlic powder, onions, paprika.
She had salt and pepper in there.
Yeah.
All right, so we're doing. Bring me the onion powder that's already open.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna do a little Kinder's caramelized onion butter, garlic powder, onion powder, and the onion, and we'll go from there. If y'all made this recipe before, let me know what addition you made to yours. Babe chopped the onion for me already, so it's going in. You say hey to the people.
Hello, good people.
Yeah, definitely not. But okay, girl, she got garlic and tomato paste. I'm gonna put garlic and tomato paste. We're gonna see.
Let me see if I can find another.
Tomato paste, because if you know, you know.
Oh, this is the original.
Okay, so we're making the butter sauce, which is just butter and paprika. Now, they putting all that stuff in one container. I can't commit to a whole container of Greek yogurt sauce that I've never had before. So I am going to mix mine separately. But it's just the Chobani whole milk plain Greek yogurt. What she put in it? Salt, garlic. So I'm doing this much yogurt. I don't know if y'all can see because of the lighting, but this much yogurt, this much garlic. Put a little bit of salt. Mix it up. Our pasta is done. I'm gonna add some lemon juice to this. If you don't like garlic, you're not gonna like that. Definitely add the lemon juice. Now the girl in the video said you want the meat as small as possible and a little crunchy, so that's why I'm just letting it go a little bit so it can be a little crunchy, a little burnt, a little crispy. She said that's the best part. So this is her recipe, so I'm gonna go with it a little bit to the best of my ability. All right, y'all, so this is what our Turkish pasta is looking like. Let's see what it's tasting like, because the people was like, I've been craving it every day. I made it 4 times. And I'm like, let me see. It's good. It's really good. I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at it at all, actually. Definitely add the seasoning, but I give it like a 8.5 out of 10. Let me finish eating, and I'll see y'all later. Back outside again. No, I mean, I am outside. Say hey to the people.
Hey, people.
I am back outside. I had to come to Williams Sonoma and pick up an order. I'll show y'all what I got later. Of course, I'm about to look around in here, but y'all been in my inbox like, girl, is you gonna make some cookies for the season? So we are gonna get into the kitchen and make some cookies, but I had to come pick up something for that. So let me go run in here, grab that. If I see something cute, I'll show y'all, and then yeah, I'll see y'all in a minute. Hey y'all, it is, what's today, Saturday night, and I was supposed to come back and talk to y'all and show y'all what we ended up getting from Williams Sonoma. So let me show y'all. I ended up getting some Thumbprint cookie cutters. So I got these, which are like everyday ones, and then I also got these holiday ones, which are really festive. Life was lifing. I didn't come back, but now we're about to go ahead and make some Thumbprint cookies. I'm gonna make the dough, and then me and Tootie will probably make the cookies tomorrow. Not probably, me and Tootie will make the cookies tomorrow, but I might make a batch tonight because I'm up. But yeah, so we are going to use a recipe from the 100 Cookies cookbook. The 100 Cookies cookbook. And it is the Thumbprint cookie. It calls for a hazelnut flour. I'm just gonna use all-purpose flour, and we'll see what happens. So yeah, let's go.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go.
What I can tell you is this dough is sticky, icky, and I don't think that I will be able to use my cutouts without chilling the dough at all. But you're supposed to roll it in sugar, so we don't see.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Sound effects in the background, my daughter.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love.
No, I'm gonna let you know, yo, 3 to 10.
Until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you.
Some cookies, huh?
Baby,
What?
this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire.
So I like these cookies.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
That's why I say you like these cookies. You like the Thumbprint.
Jelly cookies and cookies.
It's called Thumbprint cookies.
Jelly cookies.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas.
Oh, they're not gonna be ready till tomorrow.
Girl, what? What's the point?
Okay, what I do have is some snickerdoodle cookies that we made a couple days ago. Let me put these on that wax paper. It says to roll them out, but I'm gonna just press them out. that looks like. So I got a little bit of fig marmalade and a little bit of guava marmalade from my charcuterie board left over. So that's what I'm about to use. And I'm gonna have to use the tip of the spoon because this spoon won't fit in there, but I think it's gonna be okay.
Cheers.
These ones are crunchy. I think because it's dinner.
Tastes good though.
Good night, y'all.
So hit that follow, don't miss a beat. In Cece's world, life is oh so sweet.